Let's do a reverse spray challenge, y'all. We're burping. We're gonna see how many burps we get up in here, okay? Are you ready? I'm not. Oh God. Oh God. Yo, what the fuck? I'm scared. I like can't. I can't get it all out. Oh, spicy. I'm trying to figure out what my strategy is right now. I don't know if it's best to drink a lot and see how big of a burp I can get, or like sip a little and burp a lot and just see, like the variety, the different tunes that we can hit. Could we make a mix? Someone please take this and take all the burps and make like an EDM mix. That'd be sick. This is like disappointing me. I feel like I can burp better without the Sprite. This is just straight up hurting my stomach. That's what it's doing. I'm feeling like less is more here. We're gonna try little sips, okay? We're testing this strategy. Yeah. It's feeling better already. Yeah. Maybe. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ooh. Yeah, I don't like that. I feel like shit now. Now I'm trying just like maybe one gulp. Maybe one gulp will do the do. You. Yep. Yep, that's feeling good. Wonder if I could burp and say Sprite at the same time. Let's try it. I'm feeling like this one's a 2-sipper. For the octave that I want to hit, I needed 2 sips of Sprite so that I could do Sprite. No, that didn't feel right. It's gotta come from like deep down inside, I'm like shivering. I have like goosebumps right now. Oh, she's speaking to me. What was that, sweetie? Me too, girl. Me too, girl. You know what's gonna happen is it's gonna hit me after I finish the Sprite and I stop filming this. I won't be able to stop. Sprite has like no business being that spicy. I really need to think about it. Like, I think I just need to relax. Maybe my internal burper is having a little bit of stage fright right now because I've never really put her on the spot like this. Sorry, girl. Woo! Not feeling hot right now. Actually, I'm fucking freezing, but like physically, I am like, damn. I literally need someone to like come over here and burp me. I don't even think I can burp. I just feel like I'm gonna explode. And I'm shivering. I had a Molo 10, so I'm out to space right now. But A for effort, right? I did complete the bottle of Sprite, but I didn't really present to you a beautiful burping symphony. So stay tuned because there's lots more where that came from.